Hello, beautiful babes. It's your girl, Sweet Angel. Welcome to Sugar Fingers. Y'all, I'm so excited. Guess what? We're nearing that 1,000 mark. 1,000 subscribers. And you know we'll be doing a giveaway right here. But today I just wanted to share a couple of items I picked up from Amazon just to add to the nail collection I have. And starting off with this cute little set here. This is a 50-piece nail swatch set. You know when you get those new nail polishes and you need to test them out, check them out, and see what the colors look like? That is what this is for. I got it because I actually have this Beetles 12-piece gel polish set here. And yes, it comes with 12 polishes along with these little tabs, which I'm going to use those to actually write the names of my nail polishes on, or at least the numbers, because I don't think they have names to them. So it comes with that, and also an application guide, which is this little booklet right here, which will tell you exactly how to put the nail polish on, what to do, what not to do, and a bunch of frequently asked questions. So I'm ready to dive into this box and check out these nail polishes up close and personal. Listen, if you have not subscribed to the channel, make sure you do that right now. Subscribe, hit the post notification bell, so you'll be in the know when it's time for that giveaway. You'll know exactly what to do. So I have them pulled out now, but I'm just going to set them up, outline them, and put them all in order so that I can efficiently go through swatching each one of these nail polishes for you, so you can see for yourself exactly what's in this kit, and if you're looking to purchase them, what colors are actually here that you can use. I am going to use 12 of the swatch sticks right here, and we're going to start off with the first one, which is number 629. So I'm going to swatch this one. I am not going to use the base coat, nor am I going to use the top coat. I'm only going to use the polish on the swatch stick. You know, I don't want to waste product. I don't have that kind of money going on around here. So I want to just use the polish and see what it looks like. Now these colors are beautiful from what I could see on Amazon. They look like they'll be super pigmented, super beautiful, and the perfect colors for summertime. Now right now I'm just using my UV LED lamp to go ahead and make sure that that is cured. And it says to leave it in there for like 60 seconds. So that's what I'm going to do here. So it's done. It is done. And now we're going to move on and do another one. But I thought I better go ahead and label these before I carry on any further, because I want to make sure that, you know, I keep them in order and know what's what. So the next one here, I'm going to swatch it and go ahead and put it under the lamp for 60 seconds. Now don't worry, I'm not going to make y'all sit through all 12 of these swatches because that just wouldn't be right. Okay, I'm going to just go ahead and do these off camera. So I'm labeling them now. I have the numbers all written out and I will put them on here. Okay, now let's talk about these beautiful shades in this Beetles 12-piece Macaroon gel polish nail set. Starting off with the first one, this is 629, and it's a beautiful, I will say a burnt orange to me, and I'm not going to try to define these colors because I am the worst at doing that. And then that's 629, 630, and that's a yellowish tone, and I think it's coming off pretty much true to color. It's not like a deep canary yellow or anything like that, but nice, you know, eggshell yellow kind of. That's what it is. 631. Here we are with a lime green, real pretty. I can't wait to wear these colors. I tell you, these are beautiful for summertime. 632, kind of like a pale periwinkle. That's really nice. Not quite purple or anything, but I say periwinkle. 633 is more of your peach tone. That's beautiful. Again, I love all of these colors. That's why I selected the set. And there we are with a light lavender. Yes, that's beautiful. And this is 635. This one, wow, I can't really say the color. I want to say mango, but I'm pretty sure it's not quite that or coming off like that, but it's bright, but it's, you know, got a pink reddish undertones in it. It's beautiful though. And this is 636. This one is kind of a pinkish hue, but more of a, I don't know, I'm not sure if it's like peach or, I can't think of the color. Like I said, I'm just not good at the colors in between. I'm just like a serious, is it red, white, or blue? But that is beautiful there. And you can see that on camera. Oh wow, this one is beautiful. Y'all know I love this color. It's kind of a teal, bluish green, greenish blue, but this is actually about the color of my beauty room here. So, but it's like a really paler color than that in here. But this is beautiful. I think that's gonna go really cute on the nails. And I love putting it on these things because you can kind of tell what it's gonna look like, you know, on your nails. So that is adorable. 638. Now a couple of these are almost looking a lot alike, but not quite. This is more like a tangerine kind of orange, so that's pretty. 639, of course, is your red, and it's hard to find a red in gel polish sometimes for the low, so it's good to have this one. I love it a lot. And really, I tell you what, my favorite here is 640. 640 is pink, like hot pink. Really nice. I love that. That is so pretty. So now it's time to decide on what I want to put on my nails, and I'm going to be doing that. So these are all of the colors you get, and that's 12 different shades, you know, and I'll put the price across the screen, but these are so pretty, as you can see. I love them. Each one of them says something to me, so I'm loving that. So if you're looking to get this off of Amazon, this is the Beetles nail polish 12-piece gel nail polish set here. So you definitely would have to purchase your base coat and your top coat separately, but you have all of the nail polishes, probably pretty much everything, every color that you may need. Every color that you may need is right here. So that is so cute. So this is my little mini haul from Amazon. The swatch sticks came in a set of 50, and I used 12 of them here, so I have more to swatch, which I doubt if I buy any more nail polishes right now. I got plenty to use. And then I got the 12-piece Beetles gel nail polish set. So that's it. They cure by UV LED lamp, and they are definitely some beautiful summer colors for sure. And there we are, loving them all. I thank y'all so much for stopping by right here at Sugar Fingers. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, signing out for now. I will see y'all on the next one. Beautiful babes, unlike me today, what I want you to do, like, comment, and subscribe, and keep those hands looking gorgeous. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.